Good morning everyone. Today I am Santi Jain of class 8T is here to recite a poem. It was written by Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore. He was a Nobel Prize winner. He was born on 7 May 1861. The topic of my poem is freedom. Freedom from fear is the freedom I claim for you, my motherland. Freedom from the burden of my ages, bending your heads, breaking your back, and blinding your eyes to the beginning of the future. Freedom from the shackles of slumber, wherewith you fasten yourself in night stillness. The mistrusting stars that speaks of truth, adventurous path. Freedom from the anarchy of destiny, whole sails are weakly yielded to blind, uncertain winds, and the helm of a hen ever rigid and cold as death. Freedom from the insult of the dwellings in the puppet's world, where the movement started through brainless wires, repeated through the mindless habits. Where figures wait with patience and obedience for the masters of show to be stirred into a mimicry of life. Thank you.